Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Zima's Natural Remedy Corner. Here we talk about fruits, roots, vegetables and other natural remedies that we can use to improve our overall health and our general well-being. Today we'll be talking about a special fruit called golden melon. Golden melon is also called yellow melon in most parts of the world, and it is a refreshing fruit with several nutritional benefits. It contains about 90% of water, which helps to keep your body hydrated. It is rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and it contains a lot of other compounds that will help to protect your body from oxidative stress and protect your immune system. It contains vitamin A, beta-carotene that can contribute to healthy vision and help protect your eye. It contains potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure by balancing the sodium levels in your body. It can also help to support weight management. So if you're trying to manage your weight, you can use golden melon as a means to manage your weight because it contains low calories while helping to make your body, your stomach feeling full all day because of the high water content that it contains. It can help with digestion as it contains fiber, which supports healthy digestion and reduce constipation. It supports bones and skin because of the nutrients that it contains, such as vitamin C, folate, magnesium, vitamin K, which helps to contribute to bone maintenance, collagen production for healthy skin. If you want to take golden melon, I will always advise that you take it in the form of a smoothie or you take it as a snack so that your body is able to absorb all of the fiber content in the fruit. So today I'll be showing you how you can either take this as a snack or as a smoothie. So if you want to take it as a snack, what you have to do is to open up the fruit. You can see the inside of the fruit. So what you do after opening it up, you take out all the seed inside the fruit. So this is what it looks like when you must have taken out the seed in the fruit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to take this as either a snack or a smoothie. So I'll be cutting this into appropriate sizes that you can snack on. Or you can blend this into a smoothie. So I'll be blending this into a smoothie. So this is what we have when this must have been properly blended. Then it can turn into a tumbler or a glass cup and enjoy. It looks so milky and yummy. So you can try out this recipe. You can take it as a smoothie or you can take it as a snack. Whichever one, any of these alternatives works very fine. So your body is able to take in all of the fiber, which is very good for your body and also for your gut. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like to see more of this amazing video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.